Hello everyone, I am Sensei and I welcome you all to my Japanese language learning class. Welcome back everyone to our next lesson. We know for any work one needs tools. For instance, in order to prepare a dish, one needs ingredients, recipes, and plates to serve the dish. Also, take an example to build an apartment. One needs to have the foundation ready and needs the building materials. Only then we can have a proper apartment. Likewise, in any language, to form sentences, we need tools. So let's move forward to learning the building blocks of any language. Parts of speech. Roughly, we have the following parts of speech: nouns, pronouns, adjectives, prepositions, verbs, adverbs, conjunctions, and interjections. I know I have not included the interjections. We will talk about it in later videos. So I'll be just giving you a flavor of each of them. Don't worry about it so much. We will go at a very slow pace. We'll take baby steps, and once we gain more pace, I'll be delving into more detail. So do not worry and just watch this video calmly. Moving forward to our lesson on nouns. Now, what are nouns? Now, nouns are words which express detail about a person or a place or a thing, or it can be just an idea. They can take n number of roles in any sentence, from being the subject to being the object. Now let's take a look at some of the examples, then we'll get an idea of it. I have few pictures here. Let's see what they are called in Japanese. We have a bag which is called kaban. We have a book which is called hon. We have a fish which is called sakana. Then we have a long pencil. Pencil is called empitsu. You might be wondering, it's written ENPITSU, meaning EN should have been pronounced enpitsu, but actually when we have per sound following N, then instead of N, it is pronounced M. So the pronunciation is empitsu. Next up, we have a tree which is called ki, and a person. I know it's a sticky person. It is called hito. Now you all might be wondering how to use them in sentences. Well, I have a few examples here. Just concentrate on the red colored words as of now. We will learn the grammar in a separate video once we have learned all the parts of speech and other essential tools. So now to look at the examples, the first example of a sentence in which we have noun is this one. Fujiyama-san wa sensei desu, meaning Miss or it could be Mr., depends on the context. We have a certain honorific, like after any name we put son to be more polite, to show more respect. So here the sentence means Miss Fujiyama is a teacher. So you see, Fujiyama-san and Sensei both are in red color. Here, Fujiyama-san is a noun and Sensei is also a noun. In English, we have the subject and object. So they both play the same role respectively. Fujiyama-san is the subject and Sensei is the direct object. Next, we have Hon wa enpetsu deva arimasen. This is so true. I know this is a bit funny, but the sentence means the book is not a pencil. That's so obvious. So, hon and enpetsu are the two nouns here. Hon means book and enpetsu means pencil. You will notice what are these wa and this and wa and deva arimasen in the examples. Just think about this to be the verb to be, or the auxiliary verb is, and deva arimasen is not in quotes. And why is particle? We will talk about it later. So, hon wa enpetsu deva arimasen. The book is not a pencil. Is not is deva arimasen part. Next we have pronouns. Now, what are pronouns? Pronouns are small generic words which are standing in place of nouns. In English we have I, you, he, she, this, that, etc. We will be learning only a very few of them. The first picture here depicts two persons and a book in between them. The left side person will refer to the book as kore and the right side person will depict the book as sore. Kore is used when the things are very nearby to them and sore is used when the objects are a little far away from them. For example, we have the left side person speaking, Kore wa hon desu ka? Kore here means this, so it means, is this a book? The right side person answers, Sore wa hon desu. Sore means that is a book. Now, what if the object is far away from both the listener and the speaker? Then they will use are, that over there. So, they would say, are wa hon desu. That over there is a book. We have another example. Watashi wa sensei desu. I am a teacher. So here I means watashi. Next up we have adjectives. Now what are adjectives? They are words which describe the quality of the nouns and pronouns. Example I have given is big, small, long, short, hot, cold. Okay, so the first picture depicts two bags. One is big, one is small. So big means oki. The double O's and the double I's means there is a double sound or a long sound. Oki. Similarly, small means chisai. We have two pencils, enpetsu, and the longer one is called nagai and the short pencil is called mijikai. Next picture we have a candle and an ice cube. The candle is glowing, so it is hot. hot things are called atsui, and the cold things are called sumetai. In sentences, we will be using them as follows. Kore wa ookii kaban desu, which means this is a big bag. Ookii here is the adjective, big. Next we have Enpitsu wa nagai desu. Nagai means long, and enpitsu, as we have already learnt, is pencil. So the pencil is long. Now it's time for the surprise that I had told in the beginning of the video. I will be having a small pop quiz. Do not panic at all. They are very simple. I just wanted you guys to check yourself whether you remember everything or not. I'll be just showing few pictures and you just need to identify whether they are nouns or pronouns or adjectives. Simple. So first up we have Atsui and Sumetai. Do you remember what these are? If you have answered them as adjectives, you are right. Next up, we have a book, that is hon. Do you know what part of speech does it belong to? If you thought it to be a noun, then you are correct. And finally, we have the words kore and sore, this and that. Do you guys remember what these words depict? Tick, 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 tick. If you have answered them to be pronouns, then you're absolutely correct. And that's it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon to get notifications whenever I upload new videos. So, stay tuned for more videos. Minasan arigato gozaimasu. Meaning, everyone, thank you very much.